Bullish Gochain cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 2 cents and 5 cents by 2030. Market examiners accept Go could reach 2 cents by 2025. Bearish Gochain market cost expectation for 2023 is $0. Gochain presentation. Gochain is an inventive token with a strong specialized establishment and a noteworthy rundown of organizations, yet still can't seem to make a forward leap. Of late, the versatility of blockchains has been an intriguing issue, and the champ could enjoy an upper hand over any remaining digital currencies. One of the latest participants into the conflict is Gochain, which professes to be multiple times quicker than the Ethereum organization, and a superior choice to Savvy decreases by utilizing proof of notoriety as an agreement convention instead of proof of work or proof. As well as being multiple times quicker than Ethereum, it intends to be multiple times more decentralized and consume multiple times less power than Bitcoin. Many coins and tokens in comparable situations as Gochain have tantamount market capitalizations to their neighbors. Therefore, their rankings can change emphatically inside a solitary day. To look into Gochain, its set of experiences, tokenomics, and cost forecast, continue to peruse as this Gochain value expectation will uncover all that you want to be aware of the Go token. By and large, our essential spotlight will stay on the Gochain cost forecasts from 2022 to 2030. What is Gochain? Gochain is an Ethereum-based blockchain that is adaptable, quick, and secure. The digital currency takes into account high exchange volumes and speedy check. Gochain can perform x100 a bigger number of exchanges each second than Ethereum. Gochain's change to a proof of notoriety agreement model thinks about the standing of all organization members. It's to guarantee an organization is completely secure and liberated from any inward or outer issues. All members in the Gochain blockchain should have a standing, and endeavoring to swindle the framework in either monetary or marking terms will bring about serious outcomes. Basically, Gochain has enhanced the proof of power model by renaming it proof of notoriety for most organization members. While the verification of power can in any case be utilized, yet just for hubs with a heavenly standing and enhance the organization. Moreover, the blockchain was intended to be Ethereum viable, and that implies that current Ethereum-based chains can without much of a stretch progress to Gochain. Gochain tends to the centralization, versatility, and energy utilization gives that plague blockchains. That utilization confirmation of work is an agreement component. While verification of work is a decent blockchain calculation, it has filled its need by beginning the upheaval. This is the ideal opportunity to change to something quicker, more adaptable, decentralized, and energy effective. It likewise goes past Ethereum savvy agreements to make something more steady and valuable. Gochain coin outline. The Gochain stage utilizes a proof of notoriety agreement model, which thinks about the standing of all organization members. Gochain, which professes to be completely viable with existing Ethereum wallets, shrewd agreements, and different instruments, intends to empower designers to convey decentralized applications on a more energy-proficient organization than Bitcoin or Ethereum. Assuming you're pondering where to purchase Gochain, the top digital currency trades for exchanging Gochain tokens are Binance, KuCoin, Gate.io, Upbit, and Bitham. Gochain current cost. Gochain is presently worth $0. Go has moved 0.12% as of now with an exchanging volume of $50,740. Gochain is presently positioned 763 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $7,818,537 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination disparity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Gochain to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Gochain value expectation 2023. Gochain, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The Go cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $0. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive. However, it is attainable soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Go is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Gochain value expectation 2024. In 2024, Gochain Go cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Go will before long outperform 1 cent. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the Go's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Go will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 1 cent and a typical exchanging cost of 1 cent. Gochain value forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 2 cents and Go may benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Go is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 1 cent and a low of 1 cent in 2025. Gochain Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Gochain effectively helps market feeling among digital money aficionados, the Go coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Go will be green in 2026. The Go is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at 2 cents, with a base cost of 2 cents and a typical cost of 2 cents. Gochain Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Go cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 3 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 3 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Go has a greatest value worth of 3 cents. Gochain Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 3 cents. In the event that Go figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of 3 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help Go requirements by 2028 could bring about a low of 3 cents. Gochain Value Expectation 2029. While Go is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 4 cents and a yearly cost close above 4 cents in 2029. Gochain Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Gochain will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 4 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 5 cents, averaging out at 4 cents. Gochain Value Expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to figure future price tags with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest Go cost in 2031 is projected to be 5 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 5 cents. And Gochain is an Ethereum-based blockchain that is adaptable, quick, and secure. The digital money takes into consideration high exchange volumes and fast confirmation. Gochain can perform x100 a greater number of exchanges each second than Ethereum. Gochain expects to go past Ethereum savvy shrinks by utilizing POR instead of POA and POW. POR considers client notoriety for guaranteeing the organization is secure and liberated from possible outside and inside disappointments. Gochain has changed a few businesses since its initiation. Numerous controllers have endorsed the coin, and a group of specific engineers is attempting to advance it and increment acknowledgement. This guide is a self-assessment of how well Go has acted before and its probability performing great later on. Watch out for our cost expectations for more digital currency value forecasts of the most recent and most famous altcoins. That is supportive of now. What is the Gochain cost today? Today, Gochain is exchanging at $0, a complete market capitalization of $7,818,537. Is Gochain a